Hey, what's up guys? Jared here with Texas Tough Customs, and on today's episode of Tech Talk, we're going to be talking about tunes for these Honda Pioneers and Honda Talons. Let's get into it. So one of the biggest questions I get asked all the time is, what is a tune, what does it do, and do I need one? So basically, in my opinion, the biggest benefit of a tune is going to be the increased low-end clutch engagement. And that's going to allow you to turn larger tires from a dead stop easier. Now, a tune also will give you a couple extra horsepower. It will also change your shift points, and it can also lower your engine temps. But the main reason is to get that increased low-end clutch engagement. Now, once you have the tune, basically what I say, typically a tune is good up to about a 32-inch tire. If you go above a 32-inch tire, typically I start recommending running gear reduction as well, but it also just depends on what type of riding you're doing. Now, if you're just riding up and down the road and doing trail riding, you can probably run a 35 with just a tune and you'll be just fine. But if you're going to be getting into mud, deep mud, thick mud, or rock crawling, climbing up straight rock faces, you're typically going to need more extra gear reduction as well as the tune once you go above about a 32-inch tire. Now, one of the things you got to always remember is if you're ever in a situation where you're giving it gas and the wheels are not spinning, you need to let off because your clutches are not engaged, then they're just slipping, and you can burn your clutches up within a matter of seconds. So if you're ever in that situation, just let off and either re-bump it and try to get back up it again, or just winch out. So once again, just remember, if you're ever in a situation where you're giving it gas and the engine's kind of bogging down and the wheels are not spinning, let off and try a different route. So there are a couple different places you can get a tune from. I personally recommend either Florida Cracker Performance Tuning or PPEI. They both make great tunes. They both increase your low-end clutch engagement. They both can change your shift points, and they can do all the custom things that you need to do to get your Honda Pioneer or Honda Talon up and running and handling larger tires. The choice just comes down to personal preference. Okay, so how does the tune work and what all's involved? Well, basically what you're going to do is pick whoever you want to use to get your tune from, and you're going to have to buy what's called a PV3. So this DynoJet PV3 here, that's going to be like the tuning device that's going to send the tune to your machine. And with that device, you're going to get a USB cord and then another cord that hooks up to your machine. Okay, so basically how it works is you have to buy the device and then you'll buy tunes. You can buy multiple tunes or a package, whichever way you go to get your tunes, either Florida Cracker or PPEI, they'll give you tune packages or whatever. But basically you'll get the PV3, and I think they can, when you buy the PV3, I think now, it used to be different, but I think now they can send your tune pre-programmed on there. And I think you'll just have to give them like a serial number off of your computer or something like that, off of your ECM or ECU on your computer. But they either send it pre-programmed on the PV3, and then if that's the case, then what you do is you'll plug up your cord to the PV3, and then you'll plug your cord into your machine. And then you can directly load the tune onto your machine. The old way of doing it, you have to plug, once you get the PV3, you have to plug your PV3 into the ECU. You have to take off the stock file from your stock machine and then load that onto your computer. And email that to the tuner, and then they email you. They take that stock file, create you a custom file, and then send it back to you. And then you load that onto your machine. I don't think they do it like that anymore, but I don't know. Once again, I'm not a tuner. I don't do tuning on them. I just kind of know the process, and I'm just making this video to kind of help you understand what all's involved. It's super easy, but like I said, you do have to have the DynoJet PV3 here, and then that's how you're going to load the tune onto your machine. All right, let's do a quick little recap. So tunes on these Honda Pioneers and Honda Talons. Typically a tune is good for up to about a 32-inch tire. A tune is going to increase your low-end clutch engagement so that you can turn those larger tires easier from a dead stop. If you're ever in a situation where you're giving it gas and the engine is bogging down and your wheels are not spinning, let off and try a different route. There's a couple of places you can get it tuned: Florida Cracker Performance Tuning or PPEI. And really just comes down to personal preference. Now, I hope the information in this video has helped you out. If it has, great, like, subscribe. If not, if you got any other questions or anything else, don't hesitate to give us a call, email, text, anything you want. But until next time, we'll see you guys out there.